Yeah.
How tangible is this inner work? Can you tell within 2 seconds of an audition whether that person's going to make it? In fact, let me stretch this even further.
Yeah.
Can you walk into a room and immediately tell who's going to make it in the audition just because of the inner work that they've done that shines so brightly?
Yes, I actually, now I would say that I've lived in New York for almost 20 years. This August, coming up August, it will be 20 years in New York City. And I would say now where I am in my life, I can walk into a room, whether I'm leading an audition or leading a class, and I can tell who has done work on themselves internally, who has really connected to that beingness, that timeless presence, whatever you want to call it, and who has only focused on the outside, because there is a desperation in people's dancing. If they're just worried about external validation, there's this feeling of like, look at me, look at me, look at me. That's really like, actually people don't like, it's like it's the opposite. You actually don't want to watch somebody who is coming at you with that sort of intensity, because they don't trust themselves and they don't feel like they're enough, and they're worried. They're like, in order for me to feel enough, I have to get external validation. Whereas I can see the people right away. It's just there's a sense of knowing, and there's a sense of calmness that people have, that they know that they are enough just as they are. And it's almost, they make me want to watch them. It's instead of them saying, watch me. There's this feeling of like, I already know that I got this, and which makes me want to watch them. Yeah. And that's come with age, and then also doing work on myself, as I can, it's like, I can see, if it's because I've done work on myself internally, I can see when other people have as well.
Can't tell you how interested I am by this, because it goes against the grain. Like if tomorrow I want to take up dance, the first thing that comes to my mind is, okay, I need to go learn some moves. I need to learn this choreography. But in fact, the first thing I should do is probably look within, connect with that inner joy that I would get from dance, and then start the work from there.